What is going on, my millionaires? I am your host, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the freaking dip. In this video, guys, I got a little history lesson for you. It's going to be 2 days of footage of me talking about the MMA1 options and how I exercised it and got exactly what I said in that video. Just want to do a quick update here. It is September the 15th, Wednesday. I went in and bought this options contract today, and as you can see, what does it say? Call 50 MMAT plus 100 TRCHP. Expires January 21st, 2022. $2.50 strike. So there you go. I did pay $160.68 for the contract, and it says the value is $140. Like I said, I bought this on my break today, so I didn't want to take a risk of this trying to get a limit order down around the dollar. I just wanted to get the contract because I am fine. I think we're going to be doing good with the dividend being over $1.61 because, as you know, I get the 50 shares, which I'm going to pay $250 to exercise this contract. So I think we're going to be rocking and rolling, guys. Also, here is a comment on my video where I was on the phone of Fidelty, and this viewer here said, Terry, bought some contracts yesterday and exercised this morning after a pleasant phone call into Fidelty. 20 minutes later, I now have the preferred shares in my account. I'm so thankful for your confirmation DD on this. I commented back, I said, thank you for sharing your experience on this. Looks like I was correct on this. I bought my MMAT1 option today. After it clears, I'm calling to exercise this as well. So once I can get this contract to clear, like I said, I bought it today. You're going to watch all this in one video. I'm just getting all the pieces put together. But next time you see me on the screen, I'm going to have those preferred shares in my brokerage. All right, and here we are on my Fidelty account back. You saw those previews where I had the MMAT1 option. That option is now gone. It's not showing on my portfolio at all. What I do have here, you can see it's highlighted in the yellow. I got 50 MMAT shares as promised when I spoke to Fidelty and did that video. And if we scroll down here and take a look, what do I have in my portfolio, guys? What's that say up top? TRCHP, 100 quantity. So I was speaking with the reps of Fidelity. They're like, oh my God, like this seems like a really great deal because basically you exercise the contract for the price of your breaking even on the share. So, and real quick, here's the video I did. I talked about MMAT Torch buying preferred shares. There was a lot of drama around it. I don't understand why someone thinks I'm out there trying to spread around false information. I don't care, you know, keyboard warriors, that's all I'm going to say. I don't like drama on this channel, but I just want to say to the keyboard warriors out there, I'm putting this out there. You're going to put negative stuff on social media, whether it's going to be Twitter, whether it's going to be on my YouTube channel, I'm just going to start blocking you. I'm not even going to ask questions. I'm not even going to comment. You're just instantly going to get blocked. So I'm here for positivity. I'm spreading the good word out here. And if I'm wrong, I'll come out and admit I'm wrong. But I was right on this one. I talked to Fidelity. They confirmed it. And I did this part of the video so you guys can learn from it. And I can't speak on any other brokers, but with Fidelity, it's the real deal, legit. So I just want to say, keyboard warriors, you are warned. You spread my name out there in the mud and you want to talk dirty about me, you're going to get blocked. So anyway, had to get that out there. I tell you what, it felt good, man. The keyboard warriors, but I got people like in the comments saying how they appreciate these videos because no one else is brave enough to cover this issue like me, man. No one else is brave enough to do it. And I'm the one out here putting my name and reputation on the line saying that it's the real deal. So I just want to put that out there. I wear my heart on my sleeve, guys, for you guys. I do. That's why I'm putting this out there. There ain't no one else brave enough to talk about it but me. And I'm proving you it's the real deal. And all right, guys, now let's get back to the video at hand. So here we go. Meta today had a pretty good day. We hit a pretty good spike. We were up to 525 and we consolidated around the 511 mark. After hours, we're showing around 507, but we ain't worried about the after hours. We were up about 3.23% today. Tomorrow is the big day, because we want these options contracts to fall in the money. That's right. That's what we want, guys. And that's what we're going to see in this video, that the shorts, as we thought last week, the shorts were kind of stepping away. I think they were just kind of fooling us because you saw yesterday's video. They definitely came back in the picture. And when you see today's numbers, they're really back in the picture because they're throwing everything but the kitchen sink at MMAT, hoping to keep the price down because they want those $5 strikes to expire worthless. And that's what they want. They want to get this below 5 because there's a lot of contracts around the $5 range. So they're hoping to get it below. If we could get a nice green date on Friday, which is tough. Meta's had a pretty tough time on Fridays. But maybe we can get a push on Friday and really get these shorts to cover these options contracts if they have them, because they're going to have to purchase them. Checking out the ownership accumulation score, we have a 97.74 score out of a 100. We're ranked 109 out of over 21,564 stocks, guys. That is phenomenal news. Now we're going to get into the juicy stuff. The short interest, as you can see here, short squeeze score is at 82.69 out of 100 ranking. We are the 46th ranked stock out of 5,323 stocks according to Fintel. So we're in the top 50. So we're there. We're hanging around. Last time the Fintel updated was 4 minutes ago. There was only 30,000 shares left at a leading prime brokerage to lend, short, borrow. You know what they do with them. Throw them in dark pools, whatever you want to say. And if they're going to short the stock, lend the stock, or borrow, it's going to cost them 9.03%. So it did go up a little bit since yesterday, which is good. We want to keep it up there. 9%, I like seeing that. And down here in the FINRA volume, you can see yesterday's video. We covered this on the 15th. They had a FINRA short volume of 42.56 ratio percent. Look at today. FINRA short volume ratio, 52.92. Now, we didn't have much volume today. FINRA makes up roughly about half of the shares traded. We had 6.4 million shares on the FINRA recorded, and out of that, about 3.4 million was shorted. So about 53% in a sense was shorted through the FINRA. And as you see over here in the combined short volume ratio between the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX, it's going up. It's going up every day. From the 13th was 23%, the 14th was 28%. Yesterday was almost 46%, and I bet today when that CBOE comes in, it's going around 55, 57% combined short volume ratio. So now we're starting to see the numbers that we're used to seeing, guys. And this one here for the 15th is a pretty good one. You saw yesterday's. Well, they're not letting up. They still got the pedal on the metal. They're still coming at us. So you can see here the total short sale transactions was 163 transactions. The total shares shorted, 614,415 shares were shorted into the market legally that we know of. And the total dollar amount again, over $3 million. And we were doing great. I mean, let's go back real quick on the 5-day chart. We're down 5%, but look at this. Since they've been trying to beat us down here to 486, we've came up. And we're getting that momentum back. I'm hoping we're on the upward trend here going into tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a key day, guys, if we can get that green day as promised. So, $3,045,036.83. Now, I want to show you this here because I pull up this chart for you because we like to see how big is some of the transactions in here. And now there is one that sticks out, and let's take a look at it. One short seller shorted 142,801 shares, and they spent, look at this number, guys. Let's just say $700,000 on that short position. Someone went in, let's say, boys deep and shortened this stock. That is crazy. $699,724.90. Wow, that is crazy. Real quick, on George's Twitter page, he has a like. I looked through everything on StockTwits. He put a couple likes on StockTwits, but this is really about songs. Nothing I think really has any kind of relevant meaning. But on here, he did one for a like on Mark Miller's post at Magic 8 Ball. It says here, the same as it's been, next big known catalyst is the acquisition vote at the NTS Corp, Nanotech. On the 28th, should be fairly quick transaction. This gives MMAT immediate production capability. So hopefully this leads to further PR of the contract variety. And George put a like on that. So there's the post, and here Mark commented back, and I think it's true. George just put a like on it. He's acknowledging Mark's post, and we like to see that. And here he said, thank you, GP, for George Palikaris. Means a lot knowing that you have our backs. We are with you. Amen. We do have your backs, George. And I got this back here as I put up, I rotate these around. There it is. And George we trust, because that's right. We trust our man George that he's going to lead us down the right path. And there it is. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.